I usually do all my recipes by hand. I never put anything in the blender.
So 1 egg.
1 egg. This is the PMD. This is the vanilla protein. I use 2 scoops of this one.
Okay.
Now we're gonna use the protein baked good mix. Sometimes if you pass the water, or depends how big is the egg, it gets a little more, you know, a little bit more watery.
Okay.
So just add a little bit more bacon goods to make it more thick.
Okay.
Whatever we use this the white cream is sugar-free, syrup, sugar-free, low in calories. The caramel and stuff, the chocolate is sugar-free, low in calories.